Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring a little tool that can make a big difference in your daily makeup routine, the Lord & Berry Perfect Brow Pencil in Brunette. This eyebrow pencil promises to shape, define, and give you those polished, professional-looking brows we all crave. Straight out of the box, it's a sleek pencil that comes with a built-in blending tool. The color is a natural brunette shade designed to mimic the softness of real hair, rather than looking overly harsh or drawn on. Lord & Berry positions this pencil as a precision tool that helps create well-groomed brows while enhancing your natural arch. Using it over the past few weeks, I found it surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. The pencil glides smoothly, allowing for both fine hair-like strokes and more defined lines where needed. The blending tool is handy for softening any harsh edges, giving a more natural finish. I tested it in my morning routine, under different lighting, and even during a long day at work, and it held up quite well. It's not smudge-proof in extreme conditions, like an intense workout or heavy rain, but for everyday wear, it performs solidly. One thing to note is that the pencil is on the thinner side, which is great for precision, but means you'll need to sharpen it carefully to avoid breakage. What I really appreciated is the balance between control and ease of use. Some brow pencils feel waxy or stiff, making them harder to work with, but this one strikes a nice middle ground. The texture feels natural, and the color blends seamlessly with most brunette shades without looking overly dark or muddy. Now, weighing the pros and cons, the positives are clear. The color is natural, the pencil offers precise application, the blending tool adds versatility, and the overall design is sleek and professional. On the downside, it requires regular sharpening, and it might not be ideal if you need a waterproof or ultra-long-lasting formula for extreme conditions. In terms of value, the Lord & Berry Perfect Brow Pencil sits in the mid-range price bracket. Considering the quality, professional finish, and usability, it offers reasonable value for someone looking to elevate their brow game without splurging on high-end products. If you're comparing it to similar pencils on the market, it stands out for the natural finish and dual functionality with the blending tool, which some competitors lack. The build quality is solid, the pencil itself feels durable, and the cap fits securely. I haven't had to worry about breakage during use or travel, and it has held up well over a few weeks of testing. If you're exploring alternatives, there are cheaper options like some drugstore brow pencils that offer similar shades and blending capabilities, but they often lack the refined texture and professional finish of Lord & Berry. On the flip side, high-end options might give a longer-lasting hold, but at a significantly higher price. So the bottom line, if you're after a natural, professional-looking brow with a pencil that's easy to use and blends beautifully, the Lord & Berry Perfect Brow Pencil is a solid choice. It's particularly great for anyone who likes precise application and a soft, natural look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase this pencil in the comments or description box below. If you've used this brow pencil, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.